And then we've got 2 wheels at the back, so you can just wheel it on in. Hey guys, Brad here with Skyline Construction, and today's review is going to be on a very simple but widely used tool case. This is one of their soft cases, and I really do like this. It's quite handy. I keep it in my truck all the time. It's on rollers, so it's kind of like a suitcase. You can extend all the way up, and then we've got 2 wheels at the back, so you can just wheel it on in. So great for service guys, great for guys like myself who do a lot of renovations. Just an all-around cool case to have. The inside of this is pretty big. It's a zippered top, and then on the inside you've got basically just around the perimeter areas to put your tools, and then on the inside you can put larger stuff like drills, a skill saw, sawzall, caulking guns, batteries, anything you want. You can fit all that inside here. And then the cool thing about this case too is it has a USB charger. So there's a spot for your battery here, and you just take one of the Dewalt batteries, slide it in, and then there's a cord up front, and it is located in this pouch right here. And so we've got 2 USB connect cables here, so you can charge your phones off of this. So if you don't have the Dewalt USB charger, this is the next best thing. So nice and handy to have, and your phone can just tuck right in here. You know, you could hook your speaker up to it for music. It's just really handy to have. And there's a little pouch in here too where you can just slide your phone right there. I don't know if you can see that. So on the front, then we've got just like a Velcro area here, just to put some whatever, and lots of pouches across the front. This zips close. Yep, there's the pouch. And then on the side, yeah, 2 big pouches over here. And then this side, we've got 1 large pouch. So nothing really fancy about this. It's just handy to have. You know, a lot of guys are using T-stacks like myself, which are really, really great. But because this has the dolly built into it, you know, you don't have to carry around that large dolly that the T-stack requires. So this is kind of cool for maybe your hand tools, your everyday tools. I even have another smaller pouch which I kind of drop into this sometimes. I use this to hold my face mask and just all kinds of things. I'm always switching it around depending on the job I'm doing, but typically it's got sort of my basics that I require for day-to-day kind of use. So very handy to have. We'll put some links down below if we can find this online. But yeah, let me know what your thoughts are on toolboxes and what you guys are using. If it's, you know, Dewalt, or is it Milwaukee, the pack out stuff. Love to hear from you. So thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notify bell. Until next time, keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.